Hey, what's up? It's right around 8 p.m. below zero outside and I'm ready for a chocolatey cappuccino. Is it a dessert? Is it a beverage? Is it neither? Well, all that matters is that you ring my bell down below and check out the recipe. Okay, thank you. So the other day I made a sugar cookie latte and today we're gonna make a cappuccino, and there is a big difference between a latte and a cappuccino, mainly in the amounts of milk foam and steamed milk that is used. For a cappuccino, the ratio is basically 1-to-1 for the coffee or the espresso part of the drink, the steamed milk and the foamed milk. It's also layered, so you really kind of see the distinct layers of the different components of the drink, while for a latte, the steamed milk is usually kind of stirred in, mixed in with the espresso, and the milk foam part is a bit thinner. So let's do the cappuccino without an espresso maker. So with that, we're gonna make the coffee part of the drink by mixing together the coffee, milk, some cocoa powder, this is Dutch processed cocoa, some vanilla extract, and some semi-sweet chocolate chips in this saucepan. Mix that well and then bring it up to a steam. Now once that's steaming, it's gonna look kind of like this. Let that chocolate chip melt and then add all of this into a French press and just let that coffee cocoa mixture steep for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now in case you do have an espresso machine at home, you can skip this step entirely and make a strong shot of chocolate espresso, and then we'll proceed to making our froth milk and steamed milk. Now I want to make a strong milk based coffee which is rich with this cocoa chocolate flavor, and I don't want to put milk in the coffee machine that I have, so that's why I'm gonna make it in this saucepan and then put it all in a French press. I can easily filter it later on. So while you keep that coffee or your espresso, if you're using that, warm, heat the rest of your milk in this recipe to make the frothed milk. I'm just gonna add some vanilla extract to this, and once this milk is steaming, you can go ahead and froth the milk up. I'm gonna use a handheld frother, and you want to make sure that it is really light and fluffy, and it should kind of look like this. Now pour the espresso into your serving cups if that's what you're using, or for the French press, carefully push that plunger down. There'll be a bit of steam build up, and then pour that in your cups, and it should fill up till the halfway point of the cup. The rest of it we will fill up with the steamed milk and then spoon over the frothed milk on the top. So now I want you to enjoy this chocolatey cappuccino. Share this drink with a cappuccino lover, and if you want another hot chocolatey drink to save you from this cold, then check out my s'mores hot chocolate recipe.